How to fix Siri not responding in iPhone 11, 12 or 13. So let's start the video. First of all, here you can see the demo. Hey Siri, what is the day? Now here you can see it will respond but not speak anything. If you want to fix this problem, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on Siri and click on Siri responses. If you select prefer silent responses, then Siri will give us a silent responses, not a spoken responses. And if you select prefer spoken responses, then Siri give us a spoken responses, not a silent responses, like that. Hey Siri, what is that day?
It's Saturday, the 26th of April 2025.
I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.